The Tortoise and the Hare story. All the animals in the forest knew that the hare is the fastest among them. He could run through long roads without any hard effort. One day, the hare saw a tortoise who was laboriously making his way in the forest. The hare stopped and started mocking the poor tortoise. Short feet and a heavy shell. You must be the slowest animal in all the forest. I think it's possible for you to fall asleep when you're walking. The tortoise was not offended by the hare's words. Slowly, she continued to put one foot in front of the other. In that very moment, the tortoise stopped and smirked. Go ahead and make fun of me. Until this day, I have always managed to arrive at my destination. And when I think about it carefully, I even think that it's possible for me to beat you in a race. The hare passed out from laughing when he heard this. After a few moments, when he finally succeeded to stop the laugh, he said, Okay, I agree. So I'll see you in competition day. The two quickly agreed on the fox as the referee and met a day later by a birch tree. They decide to assign the starting point of the race to the tree, the fox announced. Whoever arrives first at the big pond has won the race. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! The hare jumped as a lightning and disappeared after a few seconds. After a short time, he had already finished half the race. He turned around and found that the tortoise had only took a few steps. He whispered, I can go to the carrot field for a short trip. When he returned, he saw that the tortoise is still close to the starting line. He was trying to walk with difficulty and make his way. So just before the finish line, he lay down in the grass and took a nap. And the nap turned into a deep sleep. Suddenly, he woke up from that sweet sleep by loud cheers and applause. The turtle set foot over the finish line and had won the race. All the animals of the forest congratulated the turtle and celebrated the incredible victory.